The IMDG Code Volume 2 is the practical, operational part of the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. While Volume 1 explains the rules, Volume 2 tells you exactly how to ship cargo safely. It contains detailed cargo-specific instructions for every dangerous good carried by sea, used by deck officers, cargo planners, and port staff. Chapter 3.2, the Dangerous Goods List, is the heart of Volume 2. Each good is listed by UN number, proper shipping name, class, and packing group. If you know the UN number, this table tells you everything. Then there are special provisions. These are specific rules for substances, covering quantity limits, temperature control, and exceptions referenced in the DGL. Packing instructions explain which packaging is allowed, whether single or combination, and maximum quantities, like P001 for general packing. For bulk and liquid goods, we have IBC and tank instructions. These cover portable tank requirements, pressure specifications, and material specs. Stowage and segregation rules tell you where cargo can be placed and what must be kept apart, like separating food from acids or explosives. Marking, labeling, and placarding is crucial. Correct hazard labels and UN number markings prevent detention and ensure safety. The Marine Pollutants section identifies substances harmful to the environment, requiring specific marks and strict MARPL compliance. In summary, IMDG Code Volume 2 is the operational manual used daily to prevent fire, explosion, and pollution. It tells you exactly how to transport dangerous goods safely by sea.